identified with a particular jurisdiction or the assembly of Orthodox bishops, although we have the blessing of all of our hierarchs to come together. And it is focused on the academic study of Orthodox Canon law in all of its periods: early church orders, early Byzantium, middle Byzantium, the great canonists, Zonaras, Aristinos, late Byzantium, post-Byzantium, the Slavic world, the Coptic world.
I wasn't expected to do this evening. I'm deeply touched. It is a dream, and I thank God that I'm here this evening to experience this, because someday one of you will write a memoir that you think I should have written, and I probably never will, but that you were here on this evening, which marks the beginning of what I hope will be the dream that I had many years ago when canon law, and as I look out and see former students, canon law, I think, was a drudgery when students would tell me, oh, we used to think that this is a course that, will we ever get through it?
Yeah, I feel myself like it was in Wallace in January, so this is very atmospheric place. This is Maliotis Cultural Center, part of the Hellenic College. So nice selection of blue. So it's good. This hall. So this is where presentations will be taking place today. Good feelings.